Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can delete a project in Asana. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Asana, you just want to, again, let's restore the project here. What you want to do is just click three dots here on the project and delete the project and delete. And this is how we do it. So this is how we delete the project in Asana. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And goodbye.